Hey guys, how's it going? I'm at Albertsons. There's four displays right here. I'm gonna go through them, see if I can manage to find anything. I think these are older cases though. There's a Camaro, a Lotus, there's there, the Jeepster, Escort, Challenger drift car. And just on the other side, they had the Patriotic Hot Wheels series. It was an incomplete set, so I'm still gonna take it though. Camaro, this one's a '69 Camaro. I might have to take this one, so I can open that one up. There's a Corvette, Bentley. Employee just walked by, saw me recording and gave me a weird look. It's okay. Just a grown man going through some toys. Mazda. Another Camaro back there, but I have that one. And I've opened up as well. Oh, look at that tuned Silverado. Do I have this one? I'm not sure if I have that one. Let's keep looking. Someone else run me over. Pretty clip, pretty keychain. I lost my keychain one. Came off. Been meaning to make another one, but there's another Camaro. I might just make that Camaro that I have right there I'm taking and just make it into a keychain. And brick one. It's gonna be a long video. That's okay though. Show you guys what it's like going through all these. Let's see this one. This was stuck. Look at that. A Pagani. Yeah. There's the Honda Super Cub, Dodge Charger Drift, Pontiac Firebird, Maverick. Ford pickup, a 40. Also, want to let you guys know, started making some shirts. Haven't posted on TeePublic. I'll drop a link in the description so you guys can check them out. There's all different sizes, different colors, there's stickers, all kinds of good stuff. If you have time, go on over and check it out. Appreciate the support. Maverick, set them right there. And give us some room. It's the best way to go about it, man. Nissan Leaf. Alright, let me cut this video right here and go through these shippers, and I'll come back and show you guys what I find. I don't want to make this too long. Alright, I'll be right back. Check it out. Still in the same shipper, but right on top there's a treasure hunt that I'll be taking. There's another one. I'll take that one as well. Looks like we're gonna be sending that one out to someone. And here's a third one. We're gonna take all of them. We're gonna be greedy on this one. Did I go through this one already? Unimog. Alright. I just wanted to show you. I just saw the top one. I didn't know there was two more behind them. But let me go ahead and cut again. Ooh, look at this nice BMW. Plain, but really clean. Another Jeepster Commando. So let me cut right here. Let me go through them again, and then Nissan Z, and I'll show you guys what I find. Alright guys, I went through the 4 display strippers, whatever you call them. Found a bunch more Nissan Z's, some JDMs, Batmobiles, and other good stuff, but didn't find any more treasure hunts. So I'm taking these 4 cars right here. They're 4 for $5, so I'm taking 4. And that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like, leave a comment, and turn notifications on for future videos.